What is a desiccant breather? A desiccant breather is basically an assembly. We also offer a corresponding metal and plastic particle breather in the STAUFF range. The silica gel is added to these air breathers. For the inflowing air, we have a filter layer. We have the desiccant, and we have a coarse filter layer further up, so the assembly can be tilted during transport without the beads falling into the spin-on filter head located at the top end. In the top element, we have a star-pleated 3-micron glass fibre fabric which reliably cleans the air. And this filters solids as well as water particles. Exactly. The first filter layer immediately separates out most of the dust coming in from outside. The introduced moisture is then absorbed by the desiccant. The purpose of the upper filter disc is basically only to reliably retain the desiccant, and the air that finally enters the reservoir is cleaned again by the star-pleated element.